Hi, this is Malo from the solutions team at Datadog. Today I would like to speak to you about a very important subject introduced by AWS. Based on the vast experience of AWS with customers moving to cloud or even born in cloud, AWS introduced some guidelines in a framework called AWS Well-Architected framework. This framework is built around 5 pillars: security, reliability, performance efficiency, cost optimization, and operational excellence. Each pillar has a significant value, and they definitely complete each other. So, for example, operational excellence is the ability to run and monitor systems to deliver business value, and in the same time to keep improving the processes and procedures. Reliability is how to make sure that your systems are resilient to failure, so the ability of a system to recover automatically from any infrastructure or service disruptions. Performance efficiency, the ability to use computing resource efficiently to meet system requirements, and also leveraging new technologies. Security, while delivering the business value needed, how to make sure that you are protecting not only your information, but also your system and your assets. Finally, cost optimization, how to deliver the same business value with the lowest possible cost. So when looking in general a diagram of your technical stack, the main question will always be, is my stack well architected or not? Well, Datadog can help you answer this question. So beside alerts, dashboards can be a great resource to help monitoring the 5 pillars. Here is an example of a dashboard which represents the main metrics to monitor to help achieving a well-architected framework. Starting by the operation excellence pillar. So monitoring your builds and deployments is essential. From the total number of builds to more in-depth numbers about the successful and failed builds and the average build and deployment times. On the top of that, it is crucial to have the eyes on the health checks of your whole stack in one place. Moving to the reliability pillar, understanding your workload, the services quotas, your data lifecycle, and also trying to avoid single points of failure will help you achieve a fault-tolerant system which will also be resilient to failure. So available resources, auto-scaling, a disaster recovery plan will be your best companion here. There is also the notion of RTO and RPO to take into account. Heading to the performance pillar, it's not only the system performance which is crucial, but also your application performance and the network performance as well, which can be the root cause of several performance failures. Datadog's application and network performance monitoring will be an added value here to help you monitoring the performance of your application and your network. For instance, monitoring the total number of errors, the latency, the hit rate will be a good indicator on how well your stack is performing. Moving to a very important pillar, security. Most of the engineers will focus on securing the data, but what about the infrastructure resources? Alongside the data and the application security, it is mandatory to have the eyes on the infra security. The security feature of Datadog can help you monitoring that out of the box. Not to forget about monitoring the authentication events. To finalize with the cost optimization pillar, you should understand where you are spending most of your money, on which services, and if you are using all these resources or not. Should I use smaller EC2 instances? Can I move some workload to Lambda? Maybe I will need to add some S3 life cycles to move some data to Glacier. Also, Trusted Advisor from AWS will run some checks for you, and you can monitor all the above with Datadog. As a conclusion, Datadog is able to collect loads of information which will help you achieve a well-architected framework. Thanks for listening and see you next time.